From your device, computer, iPad, tablet, or cell phone, go to your search engine and you can either type it in the search window or up here at the location bar. Type in helencordero.aps.edu and hit your enter or return button. Once you get to Helen Cordero, you will have to scroll down. On a phone, you'll have to go a lot further, but on this particular page it shows up right away and you see the learning links. So look for that little spaceship or rocket to click on. So click on there and you will be taken to a 2Clicks website that has our testing sites and other games and activities for the children to use at home and at school. You will see the testing and learning sites we use, and so then you will go over to iStation, which is at the top. The guy is a superhero type and he's got that red cape on, so once you click on that it will open up and take you to the website. Now it normally won't have Helen Cordero Primary School on there, so you will need to add it, and you will see this particular screen, and on the right I would type in Cordero, C-O-R-D-E-R-O, and you will see our school pop up. Click on that and now the iStation site is ready to use, and the children will then have to log in their credentials. You'll have to get their credentials from their teacher and type in their credentials, which you can get from the teacher. Now this I usually is not activated. You'll usually see dots, but if you want to check to see that either you or your child is typing it in correctly, you can click on that I and make sure that it is matching what is on their card. Then log in. Once they log in, you'll see a screen. Some screens have other icons on there. You'll see Spanish, you'll see possibly a backpack for home use, and your child will click on that and I'll show you an example of that. So hopefully at home you will see these icons, which are Spanish choices and math choices, and then we see the backpack, which has the child's assignments. That is what they would most likely click on unless the teacher says otherwise. If you don't have a computer or a tablet, you can use your phone.
Today's tutorial is a real simple one. I'm going to be showing you how to add any website to your phone's home screen. So for iPhones, what you're going to do is go to the Safari browser app. Every iPhone has the app, so it should work for you. This is a website you're obviously not going to find on the App Store, so I'm going to click this box with the up arrow. For iPads, this box is on the top right. Scroll over and click the Add to Home Screen button, and you can change the name if you want to. After that, you click the Add button on the top right, and as you can see, the website is now added to my phone's home screen. As for Androids, go to Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right of the browser bar. Click the Add to Home Screen button, and like iPhones, you can change the title. And that's it.
To create a shortcut for a website on your Windows desktop, right click on the desktop, select New and select Shortcut. Now in this location text box, type the address of the website whose shortcut you want to create. For example, if I want to create a shortcut of Google, then I will just type the address for Google and then click on Next. Now here you can give the name for the shortcut as Google, then click on Finish. You can see that there is a shortcut which is being created here on the desktop. Now if I open this one, then you can see the website opens in the default browser of your system.
So if you have a Mac, you just open up your browser, Safari or whatever, and type in the website that you would like to use. Hopefully you will be typing in helencordero.aps.edu. Then you go up there to the very top where you see that red circle and you drag it off to your desktop, and that will create the location, the web location or shortcut to our website. That way, all you have to do is click on that and you will be instantly taken to that website as shown here. I'd like to take it a step further. We just learned how to make a shortcut to a website, but it leaves a sort of ambiguous photo or icon of the website. And when you do enough of those shortcuts, they all look the same. For example, let's go to our 2Clicks website, which is going to Helen Cordero and then the rocket. Remember, we did that earlier. And we went to 2Clicks. Now, if we want to save this so we don't have to Google it anymore, we click on it like the video said up here, and here we see this little circle, and we drag that off to our computer desktop. And this is what I mean by ambiguous. You drop enough of these on your desktop and they all look the same. If your child can't read them, they need a picture to refer to. So what we do is we take a picture with our screenshot, so it's only 2clicks.com, and we would press the Shift key and hold it down, then the Command key, then the 4 key, and we make this little cross and we take a picture. There it is. Another way to do it would be to actually find an icon of it on the internet. So there's our picture, and that's the picture right there that we took. Now I could also go to Google and type in only 2Clicks. I'll do it up here at the top. Only 2Clicks. And then we go to images. And here are different pictures that you can use and drag off. I'm trying to find one that is simple. So I'll drag that off. And we should see that on the desktop. Then here is the location or shortcut. And so I click on the picture that I want to use, which was either this one or this one. I think this one's better for kids. And we open it up in preview, and then we go up to edit. We need to select all. Then copy, get rid of that, and then we click on here and we go up here and we get information, get info. Then while we still have it in copy in the RAM, we tap on this and we paste it. Now we have turned that ambiguous web location or shortcut into a 1-click or 2-click that will bring us straight to the website we need to be on.